Hey guys, it's Claire. Welcome back to my Eloelopee channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you and showing you how I got my first back handspring. I'm also going to be helping you with tips and little knickknacks on how I can help you improve your back handspring or help you achieve it. Let's get straight into the video. So in this clip, right now it's me throwing a stick, but this is me doing a back handspring. This is what you will learn once you've completed all my tips and steps of how to do it. So what my dad is doing right now is he's spotted me do a bridge to a back walkover. This is going to help you get that motion of doing a back handspring and to get you over that fear. So as you can see, I'm attempting to do the back walkover by myself, and it's not the best, but all I would need to do is lock my legs and point my feet. Oh, I just did a back handspring with a spot. I think this was my first time. What I did wrong was I split my legs, so I have to make sure I keep them together. As you can see, this one should be better. Yeah, there we go. So I need to keep my legs together, make them straight, and make sure my arms stay next to my ears. Here are some tips on doing a back handspring. So you can practice doing a back bend kickover, but when you're in the handstand, you bring your legs together and land in that squat position. So once you're confident without a spot, you can do a back handspring, focusing on the things you can improve on. The three main things that people need to improve on when they're doing a back handspring is their arms, their legs, and their feet. When you think about those three things, they can really help you. One, for your arms, they help you explode it off and make it neater and help you with the direction you are going. Your legs help you explode off from that standing position to upside down to then landing. Then your feet can help you with your knees, because your feet basically do what your knees do and vice versa, and they can really help you have straight legs and then help you with your arms. As you can see, this is what my dad is telling me, so I can improve on myself. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you haven't got your back handspring, or if you have, I hope it improved it or helped you get it, if that makes sense. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell. Click that bell so you get notified every time I post a video. See ya, peace.